In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hatch patterns in AutoCAD. Hatch patterns are a great way to visually communicate materials, sections, or fills in your drawings, and once you know the basics, they're quick and reliable. Start by launching the hatch command. In your drawing, type hatch, or simply H, and press enter. This opens the hatch creation interface and puts you in a live preview mode, so you can see changes as you make them. Next, choose where the hatch should go by defining the boundary. Make sure the area you want to hatch is completely closed. That means every line and arc connects without gaps. If the boundary isn't closed, the hatch won't know where to stop, and you may see it flood into unwanted spaces. Once you've confirmed the boundary is closed, click inside that area. AutoCAD will display a preview of the hatch. If you prefer to be explicit, you can use the select option to pick the objects that form the boundary, like polylines or circles. Either way works. Clicking inside is great for complex shapes, while selecting objects is useful when you want tighter control. With a boundary in place, move to the Hatch Creation ribbon tab and pick a pattern from the gallery. You'll see a variety of standard patterns suitable for concrete, steel, earth, and more, along with solid fills. Choose one that clearly communicates your intent in the drawing. You can switch patterns at any time, and the preview will update immediately. Now fine-tune the properties so the hatch looks right. In the Properties panel, adjust the scale to control the spacing of the pattern. Smaller scale values make the pattern denser. Larger values spread it out. If the pattern looks too heavy or too light against your drawing scale, tweak this number until it reads well. Set the angle to rotate the pattern relative to your drawing. Finally, choose a color that provides good contrast and matches your plotting standards. Clear, readable hatches save time in both design and review. When you are satisfied with the preview, finish the command by pressing Enter, or click Close Hatch Editor. Your hatch is now placed and ready to use in annotations, sections, or details. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.